Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I will show you how to download AZ screen recorder. So let's start. First of all, head into Play Store. Then over on top, tap on it and search for AZ screen recorder. Then over the top you will find screen recorder, AZ recorder. Tap on it and then tap on install. Over a few times, your download will start. So you can see here my download is completed and now it's installing. As soon as the download is completed, it will be automatically installed to your phone. Yes, you can see here AZ screen recorder is installed in my phone. So in this way you can download AZ screen recorder on Android. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.